In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can zoom in on Minecraft easily. This is super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this, but before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but to do this, you're going to need something called OptiFine. It is completely free to download it. Obviously, exit out of Minecraft if you have it opened and just simply go ahead and search for OptiFine and then go ahead and click on the first link, which is optifine.net. Now this link honestly looks like trash. They really need to update their website, but essentially you just need to go to downloads up the top, find the latest version of Minecraft or whatever version of Minecraft you're on, hit preview versions and hit download on the top option. It's going to then go ahead and take you to a page. It looks something like this. This is an ad page, so just like wait 5 seconds and you could see the countdown in the top right for it to load, and then just hit skip and then hit download on this page right here to download the OptiFine launcher. It should look something like this for you. When it does finish, simply go ahead and open it up and you're going to have a page that looks something like this. Simply go ahead and hit install and then hit OK when it does finish, and then you'll be good to go. From here, open up the Minecraft launcher and you should see OptiFine down in the very bottom. If you don't see it, select it and just scroll through this list and you'll find it on here. Select it and then hit play. And it's going to immediately begin loading you into Minecraft. Once you get loaded into Minecraft, all you need to go ahead and do is just join a world or create a new one. It's kind of up to you. In this case, let's just say I want to join a world real quick. And you can use hardcore, whatever you want. Just wait for the world to actually load in. Once you do get loaded into your world, and I also have shaders on, so just ignore that as well. All you need to do to actually zoom in is just press the C key on your keyboard and you'll be zoomed in immediately. To zoom out, just release it as well. It really is as simple as that, and it looks really cool with these shaders on. Like, look, there's a village over there. We could barely see that without that, and I know I'm in windowed mode right now, but boom, easy. But yeah, if you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.